So in this problem, we have a triangle and the vertices of the two triangles are given to us. Its area is also provided to us. We need to find out the coordinate of the third vertex, and there's a condition given here that this particular vertex is going to lie on the line whose equation is given by y equals to x plus 3. So let us suppose, so here we have a triangle. We're going to name it the triangle A, B and C. The coordinates of B, let it be given by 2, 1, and coordinates of C, let it be denoted by 3, -2. We have to find out the coordinates of the vertex A, so we're going to name it x, y. So let x, y be the coordinate of vertex A. Now, it's given here that this vertex A is going to lie on the line y equals to x plus 3, meaning, let's suppose that we have a line and the line has the equation given by y equals to x plus 3, and the coordinate of the point A, it's going to lie on the line, or it can say it passes through the line passes through the vertex A. Fine. Now we need to find out the vertex A, the coordinate of vertex A. So here, since the point x, y lie on the line y equals to x plus 3, so it would mean that it should satisfy the equation of this line, which would mean that if we replace the value of y with x plus 3, so this means that x, x plus 3. So all we have done is replace the value of y with x plus 3. So x, x plus 3 is the coordinate of the vertex A. This is A. We have the coordinate of vertex A. Now that we have the three vertices, and it's also given here, it's given that the area of the triangle ABC, that's equals to 5 square units. So that's given to us. Now how do we find out the area of a triangle whose coordinates of the vertices are given? So here all we have to do is take half and multiply it to the absolute value of, so we were going to use the formula x1 multiplied to y2 minus y3 added to x2 times y3 minus y1 plus x3 times y1 minus y2, and this is going to be the area of the particular triangle. Now here x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3 are going to be the coordinates of the vertices. Fine. All we have to do is substitute the respective values. So here we will start with A. So we will consider that A is equivalent to x1 y1. Let B be equivalent to x2 y2 and C be equivalent to x3 y3. Now the choice of these vertices are independent. So now we have the area, which is half multiplied to, we need x1. So here x1 corresponds to x. So we have x multiplied to, we need y2 minus y3. So that's 1 minus minus 2. So that's going to be positive 3. Then we need x2. So here x2 corresponds to the value positive 2. We'll multiply to it as a3 minus y1. So here y3 is negative 2 and y1 is y. So we have negative 2 minus y. Plus we need x3. So here x3 corresponds to 3. So we have plus 3 times, so we need y1 minus y2. So here y1, that's y, and from it we are going to subtract y2, so y2 is 1. So we have y minus 1. So this is the area of the triangle ABC, and this is going to be equals to 5 units. Fine. So this is going to give us half multiplied to 3x. We have 2 times negative 2, so that's negative 4 minus 2y plus 3y minus 3. So this will be equals to 5. Which will be equals to, we're going to multiply both sides by 2, so we get 3x, so negative 2y plus 3y, so that's going to be simply positive y. Negative 4 minus 3, so that's going to be negative 7, and this is going to be 2 times 5, that's equals to 10. We'll replace the value of y with x plus 3, that's always given to us. So we have absolute value of 3x plus y, so y is going to be simply x plus 3. Minus 7, so that's equals to 10, which will be equals to, now we have 3x plus x, that's 4x, 3 minus 7, that's going to be negative 4. So this will be equals to 10. So now we have two possibilities, either 4x minus 4 could be equals to positive 10, or we have the other possibility where 4x minus 4 could be equals to negative 10. So we have 4x equals to, so 4 plus 10, that's going to be 14. So x comes out to be 7 over 2. Then we have 4x equals to negative 6. So x comes out to be negative 3 over 2. So we have our x values. Now we can find out the corresponding y values as well. Since we have considered y to be equals to x plus 3, so that means y will be equals to 7 over 2 plus 3 when x value is 7 over 2. So this means we have 13 over 2. So we have the coordinates 7, 2, 13, 2. So when we choose x to be 7 over 2, y comes out to be 13 over 2. So this is one of the coordinate. And the other possibility will be, so when we have x equals to negative 3 over 2, this would mean that y will be equals to negative 3 over 2 added to 3. So y corresponds to positive 3 over 2. So that means the other coordinate value of the vertex is going to be negative 3 over 2, positive 3 over 2. So these are the vertices, possible vertices of the triangle.